Good evening, one and all present here. Myself, Mr. Nikhil Shyam Lokhande, admin and director of the school. Honorable Chief Guest of the day, Chairman of Jai Shri Ram Bandhu Shaikshanik Sansthas, respected Mr. Bandhu Jadhav sir, Secretary Mr. Swapnil Lokhande sir, Principal Mrs. Karishma Jadhav madam, Coordinator Shilpa Shetty, and myself Mr. Nikhil Lokhande, admin director of the school, and all the chief guests present here, faculty, staff, my dear students, parents and well-wishers. I once again heartily welcome you all to the annual day celebration of St. Mary's English School, Devrung Bhiwandi. I have great pleasure in presenting to you the annual report of St. Mary's English School for the academic year 2022 and 23. I am indeed honored to have this opportunity to present before you a consistent upward graph of our school's achievement, and I would like to thank each one of you for being a significant part of this glorious journey. बच्चों को एकेडमिक्स के लिए तैयार करने के अलावा हम अपने बच्चों को कॉम्पिटिटिव वर्ल्ड की चैलेंजेस का सामना करने के लिए तैयार करने पर जोर देते हैं और सिंगिंग, स्पीच एंड राइटिंग, रेसिटेशन एंड ऐसी कई सारी कॉम्पिटिशन्स का आयोजन करके हम बच्चों का स्टेज फियर दूर करने का प्रयास करते हैं. Our learning environment allows every student to prosper as individuals. Excellence is our expectation too. Our priority is not just subjects. Instead, we aim at a holistic education, focusing overall development of our students. Equal opportunities given to every student, and our inclusion environment supports every student. We also value our relationships. We are closely connected to our staff, students, parents, and our all wishers. Learning gives creativity, creativity leads to thinking, thinking provides knowledge, and knowledge makes you great. Important programs, talking about important programs. We begin our academic year with teacher enrichment programs, also known as workshops. This year we had training programs for our teachers. Following are some of the important programs that we had during this academic year. इस workshop में हमारी expert madam शिल्पा शेट्टी मैम and हम टीचर्स को बताते हैं कि इस साल कैसे करना है, बच्चों को कैसे प्रिपेयर करना है फॉर द ईयर. तो अ वर्कशॉप फॉर टीचर्स ऑन आर्ट इंटीग्रेटेड लर्निंग, एज यू कैन सी ऑन दैट स्क्रीन, वर्कशॉप्स के पिक्चर्स वहाँ पर शो हो रहे हैं. सो आर्ट इंटीग्रेटेड लर्निंग वाज कंडक्टेड ऑन 12th of May 2022 बाय मिसेस शिल्पा शेट्टी, कोऑर्डिनेटर ऑफ सेंट मैरीज इंग्लिश स्कूल भिवंडी. इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ टीचिंग एड्स इन लर्निंग. टीचिंग एड्स तो बहुत बच्चों को पता ही नहीं होगा, लेकिन टीचिंग एड्स से इतना बच्चों को हेल्प होता है टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट दे आर एग्जैक्टली लर्निंग अबाउट. हाउ टू मोल्ड चाइल्ड इन एकेडमिक्स एंड फॉर द लाइफ अहेड फ्रॉम डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज. ऑल एकेडमिक सेशंस, प्लानिंग्स एंड को करिकुलम एक्टिविटीज थ्रू आउट द ईयर. यह सभी बहुत महत्वपूर्ण पॉइंट्स थे इस वर्कशॉप के. स्पोर्ट्स, टॉकिंग अबाउट स्पोर्ट्स. टू बी अ ग्रेट चैंपियन यू मस्ट बिलीव दैट यू आर द बेस्ट. इफ यू आर नॉट, कीप ऑन ट्राइंग. Sports competitions inculcate the spirit of positive challenges and sportsmanship among the students and prepare them for the life ahead. Sports, games and physical fitness occupy a place of importance in our curriculum. हमारे स्टूडेंट्स ने डिफरेंट कॉम्पिटिशन्स में पार्टिसिपेट किया और मेडल्स, सर्टिफिकेट्स और डिफरेंट तरह के ट्रॉफीज जीती. और न सिर्फ स्टूडेंट्स ने बल्कि उनके माता पिता ने भी पार्टिसिपेट किया, और दैट मोमेंट वाज रियली मेमोरेबल. सभी स्कूल्स पेरेंट्स को ऐसे स्पोर्ट्स डे पर खेलना अलाउ नहीं करते, बट आवर स्कूल डिड. सो मूविंग अहेड, वी ऑर्गेनाइज म्यूजिकल चेयर, throwing objects in buckets, especially all of them only for parents. Extra activities we have karate. Karate is taught to our children by our karate expert Mr. Bholeshwar Jadhav sir, and he is black belt from a Japan Shotokan Association dojo and also have wide knowledge of Japanese martial arts weapons. Then we have extra activities, dance. Our expert teacher in dance, her name is Rajashri Pitare and Komal Godambe. They teach us all kinds of dance in our school. मैं सभी पेरेंट्स से विनती करूंगा कि वह हमारे डांस टीचर और कराटे के सर के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. तालियों में मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है. Thank you so much. Talking about special events throughout the year 2022 and 23. Ganesh Chaturthi, we had Ganesh Chaturthi, as you can see there, pictures are showing on the PPT. Makar Sankranti, Navratri, solo dance competition and singing competition, bhel making, fancy dress competition, Diwali handmade diya making, Ashadi Ekadashi, Raksha Bandhan, Christmas, color days like Green Day, Yellow Day, and Red Day. Last but not the least, we have special days left, that is Pink Day, Blue Day, Holi, Shiv Jayanti and Haldi Kumkum, which is going to be after our annual function. तो बहुत मजा आने वाला है पेरेंट्स, है कि नहीं? बच्चों को भी पेरेंट्स को भी. Special announce, kindly note all my dear parents, there is a special award, that is the best student of the year award. Kindly wait and have some patience, okay? So this is going to take some time, क्योंकि ये जल्दी तो नहीं होने वाला है. Special award मिलने वाला है किसी को तो. So that is a surprise for all of us. And I take this opportunity to thank all, especially our chairperson, Mr. Bandhu Jadhav, and principal ma'am, Mrs. Karishma Jadhav ma'am, and coordinator, Mrs. Shilpa Shetty ma'am, and myself, Mr. Nikhil Lokhande, and director, admin and director of their school, for their guidance and support. It is their visionary, inspiring and encouraging that help us continue in our expedition to excellence in the field of education. My heartfelt gratitude to the chairperson, principal ma'am, coordinator ma'am, faculty, staff, students, parents, well-wishers and patrons of the schools for their constant support and guidance. I thank the Almighty God for all the blessings and guiding us throughout the year. Thanks to all parents for their continuous support in COVID pandemic situation as well. Without you all, it was impossible to work, and further we need your support and blessings. So मिलेंगी ना? Blessings and support? Yes or no? कुछ आवाज नहीं आ रही है. Yes, we want your support and blessings further. Last but not the least, now I would like to introduce the main persons of St. Mary School. Beginning with our chairperson, Mr. Bandhu Jadhav sir. He is the head of our school, now secretary of our school, Mr. Swapnil Sham Lokhande, who is the heart of school, and unfortunately I think he is not available. So we will move forward. Next, our principal ma'am, Mrs. Karishma Bandhu Jadhav, who is the body of the school. Next is our coordinator Shilpa ma'am, the brain of our school. So I think Shilpa ma'am is going to take the speech. Yeah. Only 2 lines, not speech, not lengthy speech.
Hello, good evening, my dear parents. As our Nikhil sir, admin director of the school, he told us that our chairperson is a brain of the school. Yes, right? And our Nikhil sir is a full of the school, and our principal ma'am is a body of the school. And as me, as a Shilpa Shetty, as the brain of the school. And my dear parents, you all are the whole and soul of my St. Mary's School. So I heartily welcome to you all, and good evening, and be patient, as a more and more you're all going to be enjoyed. So lots of prizes are there, and your best students awards, and the one more thing is a special prize, that is our best teacher award is also there. So please, parents, please cooperators, please need a support, and please need your blessings. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.